If we have more people like Mr. Dabo in Gambia, Gambia will be a better place. Everybody in society has a role to play.
Vision Development Foundation, under the leadership of Mr. Mamadou Dabo, donated 10 brand new computers, 10 brand new latest computers to the Gambia College. And on top of that, he also gave $100,000 to the Gambia College.
So that most of the Gambians should emulate from him, that if everybody can do what he is doing, I don't think that we will have poor people in this world.
Okay, we are here to collect our Ramadan gift from Mamadou Dabo Foundation on behalf of Alatentu. So we are very happy. We are thanking for that. We are very, very grateful to collect this thing from the community of the Alatentu.
21 days into the Ramadan, Muslims across the Gambia still benefit from Vision Development Foundation annual sugar gifts. The Gambia Supreme Islamic Council, the umbrella body in charge of all Islamic organizations that exist in the country, alongside other central mosques and COVID-19 center, receive sugar gifts from Vision Development Foundation. Islamic Council received 777 bags. Brufut Central Mosque received 223 bags. Tanje Central Mosque received 137 bags. COVID-19 Center received 150 bags, amongst others amounting to 1,750 bags of 10 kilogram sugar distributed. According to the President, Gambia Islamic Council, Alhaji Esa Dabo, their activities during the month of Ramadan has been coordination of Islamic groups.
To support our members, we try and organize them better in terms of their activities during the month of Ramadan. And also the little support that is coming to us, we extend it to them for them to distribute it to the people who are in need. So basically, these are the things that we are doing in Ramadan. We support them. We also coordinate their religious activities during the month of Ramadan.
He furthered that as an Islamic body, communication during the month of Ramadan is a challenge, but they have re-strategized and come up with better ways of communicating.
The challenge is poor communication or lack of communication before, but Alhamdulillah, now we have established new structures that has made it easier for us to communicate. We have WhatsApp groups at district level. And then we have been able to communicate to each other, and we know problems of imams and scholars. Now we work together to see how best we can solve those challenges, inshallah.
He appreciated the gift and cited that this will help the Muslim community greatly, as sugar these days is expensive.
It's very, very important because people are always following us to ask for such assistance since the beginning of Ramadan. We received some, but to have this one also will help us to extend it to them because they are expecting it and they are looking for it. As you can observe, in this month, sugar is very, very expensive and many people cannot afford it. So to have sugar free of charge is a blessing. So we are very, very pleased, are very happy to have this assistance from Vision Development Foundation.
With COVID-19 still in our midst, the COVID Center under the Ministry of Health is doing everything possible to curtail the spread of the virus in the country. Mamadou Aliou Jallo, a pharmacy technician at the National Pharmaceutical Services, said the concepts of Gambians around COVID-19 has been one of the challenges in the fight against COVID-19, but the support from the public has been exceptional, he mentioned.
It has been challenging anyway because looking at the response, looking at the concept of so many Africans, especially our Gambian people, it is very difficult to fight the pandemic. Gambia is blessed at least because we have never complained of lack of PPEs, that's personal protective equipment. And then since the pandemic started up to date, there is that support, there is that willingness from the government to parastatals, to privates and NGOs who came on board to support the ministry. So we have not experienced shortage of PPEs from inception up to date, so we thank God for that.
Being one of the beneficiaries, he said this will reduce social gathering of people who line up in shops during the month of Ramadan to get sugar, which is a significant precautionary measure, and commended Vision Development Foundation in adhering to such a compliance to COVID-19 regulations.
Okay, this sugar gift, as I said, will ensure that there is minimal of movement of people, because if you have this sugar, it will not require you going to the shop or going outside to look for sugar. And then maybe if it is a donation outside also, it will not require you going and forming a long queue where you will have that social gathering, a huge social gathering. At the end of the day, it will encourage the spread of the COVID-19. So this will go a long way in supporting the minimal contact of people in COVID-19 response. There was a complete social distancing, and then looking at the distribution also is sect by sect, so meaning there will be no much contact between people. So at least the arrangement is very great, and I thank them for that.
The President Islamic Council said the distribution will be done at district level to the various communities.
We have our committees. We'll distribute the sugar to the committees for them to do the distribution at their district levels, because they know the people who are there, they know the needy people, so we are going to give that responsibility to them.
Ivan Ade Wilson for Sahel Network TV, Banjul.